Unfolding the secrets of SpaceX's Starship hot staging maneuver. Imagine a rocket, the SpaceX Starship, roaring into the sky. It ascends, then something extraordinary occurs, a hot staging maneuver. During this, the super heavy booster separates. A spectacle of human ingenuity, it begins to descend. Meanwhile, the Starship upper stage continues its celestial journey. Hot staging is challenging, risky, but necessary. It's a delicate dance of timing, engineering, and sheer audacity, pushing the boundaries of what we thought possible. But why is this important? Hot staging provides valuable data. It's a treasure trove of scientific insights, propelling us further into the realm of space exploration. Every launch, every hot stage maneuver, brings us one step closer to mastering space travel. It's a captivating, consequential ballet in the cosmos. Join us on this thrilling journey as we delve into the intricacies of SpaceX's Starship hot staging maneuver. Together, we'll learn, explore, and discover.